Hello guys. Um, kakain tayo ng mangosteen. So ito yung mangosteen. Pakita ko ito doon sa live videos ko. So i-try nating kakain ng mangosteen. Okay? So ayan. Nag-message ang bagong love ko. Kala nyo ha, may asim pa to. Ayan. Kasi magtanim ako guys. First time akong magkakain ng ganito. Uy, ano ba to? First time kong kakain ng ganito. Ay, iikot lang pala bago siya, iikot lang pala yung, niya. Yan, To be honest, guys, this is the first time I eat mangosteen. So, sarap pala siya. Yummy, but, oh my God, let's see, if have, matamis siya, pero hindi ko alam kung ang buto nito ay ano. To be honest, first time I ate this mangosteen. So I order maybe, hindi ko pa alam, I'm not sure yet when I order. I have already talked sa a person. But I am not yet sure. I am not yet sure when, because I will make that my nipahat in the mountain, because if they go there, I need to speak English because of my follower. Okay, they have a request that they want me to speak in English so that they can understand. So even I got nosebleed, I need to speak in English so that yan, i-turn mo lang pala siya. Pero, oh my God, yung seeds niya. Uy, ang sarap, guys. Masarap siya, pero I didn't know the seeds can grow. But I have already contact. I want to buy 450 each plant. I don't know if grafted that one, and then after that, plus shipping fee, 100 per kilo. So I just tried this one. For the first time I eat this mangosteen. It's yummy. It's delicious. And also I buy durian. So guys, so yummy. Kaya pala, for the first time I eat this one, mangosteen. So I need to buy more because I want some seeds from this kind of fruit. First time I eat this one, so I like the taste. It's very yummy. So like this, just turn because a little bit hard. So just turn like this one. Oh my God. Tignan mo, parang nasira na nga, oh. Nasira na siya, but I just want the seeds. Expensive siya. Kaya nga sabi ko, I need to eat a lot of fruits because wala. Ang hirap niyang anuhin. Nasira yung isa, oh. Matigas yung niya, yung ayan, ito. This is yummy. Perfect. So yummy. I want to buy more because I need seeds. Sarap niya. Guys, bibili ako mamaya. 1 kilo yata is 28. Sarap pala eh. I just need the seeds. Ayan. Para siyang santol. But so yummy. For the first time talaga, I eat this kind of fruit. Oh, like santol. Wala siyang seeds. My God, super sarap. Kaya pala mahal. As in pala super sarap. Uy, huwag itapon. I don't know kung mag-ano ito, kaya gusto kong bumili kasi oh, only 3 seeds. Only 3 seeds I keep. Ang sarap pala ng mangustin. My God. Bye-bye. So, in the future, see you on my farm. May mga mangoes na tayo. Salamat sa akong friend. Akong friend na doon mo ako nilagay sa lupa na yun na gustong-gusto rin ni tatay ko. Maraming salamat. In the future, pag uwi ko doon, siguro may mamunga na yun kasi kailangan ko munang tapusin yung obligasyon ko bago ako uuwi.